Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about the ketogenic diet. Whether you're looking to lose weight, have more energy, or just want to try something new, keto might be a great option for you. Stick around because we're about to break it all down, step by step, so you can feel confident and prepared to kickstart your own keto journey. Alright, let's jump right into day one. For breakfast, you're going to start your day off strong with some scrambled eggs cooked in a little bit of butter and half an avocado. Avocado is packed with healthy fats, which is exactly what we want on keto. For lunch, we're keeping it light and fresh with a chicken salad. Mix it with some mayo, celery, and onion, and you're good to go. And for dinner, it's time for some delicious grilled salmon with a side of asparagus. Season them both with salt, pepper, and a little lemon juice, and you've got yourself a perfect keto-friendly dinner. Day 2, let's do this. We're starting the day with a delicious and creamy keto smoothie. Blend up some spinach, unsweetened almond milk, a scoop of protein powder, chia seeds, and almond butter. For lunch today we're having turkey lettuce wraps. Just grab some lettuce leaves, pile on some sliced turkey breast, add your favorite low-carb veggies, and drizzle with a little bit of sugar-free ranch dressing. And for dinner, it's time for a flavorful beef stir-fry. Use thinly sliced steak, stir-fried with broccoli, mushrooms, bell peppers, and a keto-friendly stir-fry sauce. Make sure to check the labels on those sauces though, some of them can be sneaky with added sugars. Day 3, you're doing great. Let's start the day with a classic cheese omelet. You can add in some spinach, mushrooms, or any other low-carb veggies you like. For lunch today, we're having a Cobb salad. Start with a bed of lettuce, then add in some grilled chicken breast, bacon bits, hard-boiled eggs, avocado, and crumbled blue cheese. Just be sure to use a keto-friendly dressing, and for dinner, we're having baked chicken thighs with a side of green beans. Season them with salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs, and bake them in the oven until they're cooked through. Day 4, time to enjoy some keto pancakes. You can find tons of recipes online, but the basic ingredients are almond flour, cream cheese, eggs, and a little bit of sweetener. For lunch today, we're keeping it simple with a tuna salad. Mix some canned tuna with mayo, celery, onion, and salt and pepper to taste. You can eat it on its own or serve it in lettuce cups for a lower carb option. And for dinner, let's indulge in some juicy pork chops with cauliflower mash. Steam or boil some cauliflower until it's tender, then mash it up with some butter, cream cheese, and salt and pepper to taste. Day 5, you're over halfway there. Let's kick things off with a keto yogurt parfait. Layer some unsweetened Greek yogurt with berries, nuts, and a drizzle of sugar-free syrup. For lunch, today we're having a classic BLT salad. Start with a bed of lettuce, then add some crispy bacon, sliced tomatoes, avocado, and a dollop of mayo. And for dinner, let's get fancy with some shrimp scampi with zucchini noodles. Zucchini noodles or zoodles are a great low-carb alternative to pasta. Day 6, almost to the finish line. Let's start the day with a protein-packed breakfast of bacon and eggs. For lunch today, we're having a refreshing Greek salad. Combine some lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, red onion, olives, feta cheese, and a simple lemon vinaigrette. And for dinner, it's steak night. Grill up a nice ribeye, New York strip, or filet mignon to your liking and serve it with a side of roasted Brussels sprouts. Day 7, you made it! Let's celebrate with a delicious keto smoothie bowl. Blend up some spinach, unsweetened almond milk, a scoop of protein powder, and some avocado for creaminess. For lunch today we're having a chicken Caesar salad, just like the classic Caesar salad but with grilled chicken breast for extra protein. And for your final keto dinner, let's end on a high note with some flavorful lamb chops with roasted vegetables. And there you have it. 7 days of delicious and easy keto meals to kickstart your weight loss journey. Feel free to get creative and experiment with different recipes and ingredients. The most important thing is to find what works best for you and your body. And don't forget to drink plenty of water throughout the day. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching.